Hey everybody, it's Mike from Orderflows and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about one of the new tools on the Orderflows Trader 7 software called the Retail Suck. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, yeah, Retail Trader Suck. No. The reason why it's called the Retail Suck is because it's based on the order flow. It's looking for areas where retail traders are potentially getting sucked into losing positions, in a way, getting fooled into being trapped in the market. Through no means by themselves. And it does show up in the order flow. I mean, the order flow is very robust. You can see a lot of things taking place, between, the retail traders, the institutional traders, market makers, algos, etc. And the tool that I'll talk about is the Retail Suck tool. So let me just bring it out here for you. So you're going to go into the indicator settings. You're going to find it here under the R's here, Retail Suck. We'll just enable it. The default colors are chartreuse, which is this sharp green color, and medium orchid. We have the opacity set at 35. And for now, I'll keep the swing filter disabled just to show you how it looks. We're going to draw it out until tested. So anytime on the chart that there's a potential retail suck taking place, it's going to highlight it. If it's bullish, it's going to be green. If it's bearish, it's going to be this medium orchid color. And here we go. So let me get the crosshairs going up here. Right, you can see a bearish one here, a bullish one here, a bullish one there, bullish, bullish. So nice bearish, bearish, a little bullish one there, bullish, bullish. Now, again, there are different ways you can use this, right? This is just a tool which highlights something happening in the order flow by itself. You're probably not going to want to use it as a standalone indicator, just like saying anytime there's an instance of a retail suck, I'm going to get long or get short. You could, but I don't think that's the best way to use it. There's a couple ways I'll talk about using it. One is, okay, when you see it obviously coming in here, areas to look to get long and get short, if you can combine it with other forms of order flow or technical analysis, I think that's going to help you a lot in your trading. So one of the ways that I always tell people is put it in context. Okay, if you're going to look for areas where traders are getting sucked into bad positions, in a sense getting trapped in the market, where's the best opportunity going to be for you to capitalize on it? Well, at reversal points. Okay, and where do reversal points come in? Well, they're going to come in at swing highs and swing lows. So what we're going to do is we're going to enable the swing filter, which is this little button here. You just click it to get the check mark there, and it's linked to the swing period up here of 5. Okay, you could adjust that to whatever. If you want a bigger period, you can set it to 20, 50, whatever. Then you're just going to click apply, but I'll keep it at 5, which is the default that I have it set at. Okay, so now you're going to see it's coming in at the swing low. I don't know if there was any here, or a swing high. Okay, so that's going to make it a bit more effective for you, because now you're not just taking it willy-nilly anywhere there's signs of a retail suck coming in based off of the order flow. Okay, so you're sort of filtering it down, you're refining it. Okay, now another way to refine it is if you want to use the swing filter. Okay, again, there's one here. Let's just go back here. This is with the swing filter. So you see with the swing filter, right, you get a lot fewer signals. Okay, now what I also like to use with the retail suck is the prominent points of controls. Okay, so turn that one on, turn that one on, 1, 2, and 3. Prominent point of control 1, 2, and 3. Click apply. So now what I'm going to look for is when there is a retail suck here and a bullish prominent point of control here. Okay, there's one there. Let's go through here, see where the other ones come in. This one doesn't have a prominent point of control, so I would pass on that trade. This one does. Just went sideways as a retail suck and bearish prominent point of control. Okay, just went sideways. Could live with that. This one's got a bullish prominent point of control with the retail suck. Okay, and this one, the retail suck, but with no bearish prominent point of control. Okay, so, and plus, one other thing to note, that is with the look back filter enabled. Okay, remember on the retail suck, I had the look back filter, where is it here? Enabled. If I disable it, okay, now it's going to find me a few more instances of the retail suck. But I also have the prominent point of controls on, so I'm going to look for those times where there's that confluence, where you have the bullish prominent point of control with bullish retail suck, or bearish prominent point of control with bearish retail suck. Here's one right here. So this was a nice trade. There's one right here. This was a nice trade as well. Obviously that was the one from before. Let's go back. Right here, this is a nice one. Nice move right here. Again, that's that one that just went sideways on you. This one's just the retail suck with no prominent point of control. These are retail sucks here, 1, 2, 3, but no prominent point of control. No prominent point of control on these two. None on this one. None here, none here. Here's a nice retail suck with your bullish prominent point of control, and you got that nice move up. Another one right here, bullish one. This bearish retail suck had no prominent point of control. Again, no prominent point of control, no prominent point of control. This one had a prominent point of control. Right? And retail suck with bearish prominent point of control. So, you know, there's so many tools available in the Orderflows trader. There's like 31 tools, 32 tools. You know, you can combine them to find out, you know, on which, you know, what market you're trading, on what time frame, what works best on that market, right? It's not about trying to curve fit, because, you know, this is crude oil, right? This is a 8 range chart, and, you know, if I were to change this to, you know, gold 8 range chart, right, I'd be looking at the exact same things. I'd be looking for the prominent point of control with the retail suck right here, right? There's none. This is just the retail suck here, no bearish prominent point of control, right? That's the retail suck, no bearish prominent point of control. Here we go, retail suck with bearish prominent point of control. There's a bullish one here. Okay, didn't work out. We had a bearish one here. Okay, just looking for these instances. Here's a bearish one. It's a nice bullish one here. And here was a bearish one. Didn't really work much. Here was a bullish one here. I mean, you had a bullish one here, and you had another one came in later here, but really should have been long from here. You know, nice bearish one right here for this move down. So again, you know, it's, think of the Orderflows Trader 7 as a Swiss Army knife, so to speak, right, of order flow tools, right? And you could mix and match these, or you could use them alone. You could combine them, you know, you want to use sequencing, or, you know, ratios, or with a gap, or, you know, open point of controls. You know, there's so many different tools on here that really you can create your own order flow trading plan based off different aspects of the order flow, and then you just wait for those instances where they all come together, and then you lean on it, right? Now, does that mean every time, you know, a bearish prominent point of control, retail suck comes in, is going to be a winning trade? No, of course not. But it can happen often enough that if that's all you're trading, that's all you're looking for, right? You know your expectancy, then yeah, those are the trades you can lean on when they appear in the market. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and it starts to get the wheels in your brain turning on how you can use the Orderflows Trader software to help you in your trading. All right, everyone. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.